Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a list in Google Sheet. Alright, the first thing you should do is going to your Google Sheet app on your Android phone. Then we are going to put a list to this column. We can simply select the column by tapping and holding on the column like this. I'm going to practice it one more time. Alright, after that we're going to click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for us, and we can choose data validation right here. And on this criteria, you can click, you can choose a list of items. And you can put the items right here. For example, I'm going to add fishing. This is the list of the hobbies, fishing and also gardening, and singing, writing, and also dancing. And after you put the items that you want to put on your column, you can click on save right here. Alright, and we can check it. So this is the list of the items that you can use. You can choose. For example, I'm going to choose gardening. And for the second row, I'm going to choose writing. Alright guys, that's how you can create a list in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.